Hello guys, good morning. Ayan, kabinta ulit tayo ngayong araw guys ng isang latest na Honda RS125 guys. So tingnan nyo, ang bago po itong version guys. So tara, samahan natin tingnan ang latest na RS125. Yan, latest version. Tara, let's go guys. What may requirement? So ito na po yung cash price at installment price ng isang RS125 latest version guys. So ang cash price mo nito is 83,350. Yan, ko kapag naman na mag-installment ka, so ang down payment mo nito is 4,000, tsaka yung 36 months is 3,591. Ayan, so may rebate pa yan na 200 guys pag nakabayad ka on or before due date. Alright. Alright, that's all for today's video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, God bless sa ating lahat. Thank you, thank you.